how to post on Pinterest app. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can post on Pinterest or Pinterest app. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to post on Pinterest app, you can simply go ahead and open up Pinterest. Once you open up Pinterest app and log into the account, what you want to do next is simply go ahead and tap on the plus icon that you'll find at the bottom of the screen. You can see in the bottom middle. Tap on plus icon, and now since you want to post, you want to tap on pin option. Then it'll ask you to allow access, so you want to go ahead and allow access for gallery or camera and such. So I'll allow the access here. Now go ahead and choose what you like to pin. Then tap on next. If you want to pin multiple, you can do it as well. Then add in title, description, link as well, and then you can create it. See here, you can see created pins. You should be able to find it here. So this is how you can post on Pinterest using the Pinterest app. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.